What's growing on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening here today, and today I'm going to share with you how to plant sweet alyssum from seed. So here you can see I have a packet from Botanical Interests called Tiny Tim Sweet Alyssum, and they give you quite a bit of wonderful information on how to plant. But what you do, because these seeds are very, very small, as you can see here, once it focuses, what you do is take, in every cell, you'll probably plant about 10 to 20 seeds. You'll just take a sprinkling, say like this here. You'll just take a pinch of seeds, so you know, 10, 15, 20, and just kind of sprinkle them on the top of the soil surface. You know, whatever you feel comfortable with. I feel comfortable with about 10 to 15. That seems like a pretty good number, because you don't want to overcrowd these either. And as you can see, that's all you really have to do, is just take the seeds, and since these are very small seeds, you only surface sow them. So what you'll do is just go ahead, maybe there's a couple more you want to add, take your extra seeds and put them back in the packet. As you can see, all those seeds, they cover quite a bit, unless you're growing like a whole flat of them. But that is amazing how many plants you can get from one packet. And look, after sowing all of those seeds, I still have probably well over half of my packet left. So these seeds will go quite a while. And then what you'll do is just go ahead and press them into the soil surface just like this, just so you get a good seed to soil contact, but yet you still see the seeds. Now you can always cover them with a light layer of vermiculite, and that will help with moisture retention and will still let the light through. But I find that for me, I do not need that. I do not need to take that step. And make sure you shake off any seeds that get stuck to your finger. It doesn't matter too much whether you're missing one or two seeds, but that's all you have to do. And then you just take a sprayer bottle and lightly spritz the top, just so you can get good seed to soil contact again. And then what I'll do is I will put this into my seed starting setup, which you can see here, and I already have. I'll just set it right here, and then I'll put a humidity dome over this. So here is my alyssum after only 5 days of growth. This is a March 13th update, and as you can see, or at least most of the alyssum has sprouted and has grown their cotyledon leaves. I have not seen any true leaves yet, but if you want to see further updates on this alyssum, I will be posting community posts on pictures, and maybe even you'll see these plants in garden updates and tours in the future. So I encourage you to subscribe to see more videos like that.